Welcome back everyone, thanks for tuning in. We got a great video lined up for you tonight. We have the Ryobi 3-speed brushless impact against the Kobalt 24 volt max 3-speed brushless impact. Man, that's a mouthful. We're going to drill in, we got some new 10-inch timber locks, we got some 6-inch timber locks, and just for the fun of it, we're going to sink some monster legs. And then, at the end, we're going to dock them and see which one blows up first. So stick around if you want to see this one. Hit that intro. Alright guys, we got the 6x6s stacked up over on the jowl horse again. We're going to start off with the 6-inch timber locks, then go to the 10s, and then go to the monster leg bolts. Both of these we're going to be using 2 amp hour batteries because the Kobalt only came with a 2 amp hour battery fully charged up. This one is fully charged up. It doesn't have lights on it, but I just took it off the charger. You know, the only thing it's going to do is give less performance if it's not charged up. So take my word, it's charged up, I promise. Alright, let's go head over there. We're going to try to make this a fast video, guys. It's about to storm. It's about to downpour on me any second. Fully charged up. 2.0 battery comes with. Using the Bosch bit. Ryobi, fully charged up. 2, using the Ryobi bit. Speed 3. Kobalt. Speed 3. Do Kobalt on the right first, then switch. Here we go. On your marks. Get set. Go. What was that? Are you kidding me? Did you see that? Ryobi had it beat by 6 inches. Alright guys, here we go. Try it one more time. 1, 2, 3, go. Kobalt on the right, Ryobi on the left, fully charged up. 8-inch timber locks. 1, 2, 3, go. Boom, Kobalt got it. All right, we got the 10-inch, see, 10. Do Ryobi in the right, Kobalt on the left. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. Starting to get hot now. Down 1 bar on the Kobalt. Ryobi, can't tell. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, we're going to try the 8s one more time. Everything's still fully charged up. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. Man, Ryobi just can't keep up with the Kobalt. It's not even funny. 1, 2, 3, go. we gotta do the 10-inch test over again because the first time I did it yesterday, it wasn't even, so we're gonna try it again. Battery's freshly charged up. Fresh section of the 6x6 here. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. Bam! Kobalt smoked the Ryobi. Let's back them out and try it again. Other hands. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, we got the legs going here. Now I just used the hole from before, because if not, these legs just blow the 6x6 apart. They're just too big. So unfortunately, these are an odd number. I got these going 15/16. So I got one impact, one standard, both using the adapters, you know. So it doesn't really matter. The amount of power loss in this is going to be very minimal. So we'll see if they can even drill these big things in. For some reason I can't seem to find my other good adapters. Go figure. Ryobi's done. Yeah. Kobalt's got that one. About 1 inch. Nice. Now watch this. Milwaukee Gen 3. Watch this. Oh, look at that. Broke it right off. Look at that. It was turning it too. Did you see that? Look at that. That's freaking hilarious. My Milwaukee adapter. Boom. Toast. Alright guys, let's see if the Makita can do it. Ready? Alright, Milwaukee. 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah. Even the Milwaukee can't do it all the way. She's cutting out. Didn't break the Makita Gold though. That's pretty good. Here we go, guys. We're gonna do the dock, battle of the death. Got the Makita 6-inch gold bit. Alright, place your bets. Who do you think is gonna win? Both on mode 3, still fully charged up batteries. Here we go, hit it. Knew that was going to happen. Alright guys, I got a 6-inch solid Phillips bit in this time. See what happens. One, two, three, go. All right, they're still going. Got some smoke coming from the Kobalt. See the smoke? Well, I don't think they're gonna die. The Kobalt battery is about dead. I think that's it. Got a little bit of smoke out of them. But, yeah, I don't know. We will call it a draw. They're both smoking. We'll call it a draw. They both still work too. It's pretty impressive. Still a little bit of smoke. Of course, I don't have my temperature gun, but I'd say they're around 160 degrees. Very hot. Woo! Man, I can't even touch them. There you go, guys. Hope you liked that little head-to-head. The Kobalt took the Ryobi every single time except for the very first time. That's because the 3 inches on the right side of the 6x6, I forgot I had drilled a hole underneath it, so I switched the 2x4s, the 6x6s around, and then every time from there on out it was solid wood, and the Kobalt took it every time. See, the Ryobi, it's not bad, but you gotta have the special battery, or else it can't keep up to the Kobalt, the Milwaukee, the Makita. It's like, you shouldn't have to have a special battery in order for your tool to work properly. Just build it into the tool like everybody else does. You know what I'm saying? God, that drives me nuts. But when I put on the 3 amp hour HP battery, the special battery, it beat the Kobalt pretty good. Neither one of them gave up in the torture test there. I was trying to get them to shut down, but neither one of them would. This is the only battery I have for the Kobalt, so I can't really keep throwing batteries on like I could the Ryobi. Kobalt claims it has 1,800 foot-pounds of torque. No, excuse me, 1,800 inch-pounds of torque. The Ryobi says it has 2,000 inch-pounds of torque, which is funny because that's the same as the Milwaukee, where the Kobalt has 3,500 impacts per minute. So the Milwaukee claims it has 500 more impacts per minute. 1,800 inch-pounds of torque, 2,000 inch-pounds of torque. The speeds, first gear 0 to 850, second gear 0 to 2,000, and third gear 0 to 2,700 RPMs. The RPMs in this is also kind of low. This also has higher RPMs, 3,200. So again, 500 more on this, 500 more impacts, but yet it can't keep up to the Kobalt. I'd like to see this with a 6 on it. I bet you that would give it a lot more oomph. You know, the bigger batteries do help, believe it or not. Well, there you go. I mean, overall, I like the Kobalt. It's not bad. It's light. It does feel kind of cheap. I feel like the Ryobi, the details are a little bit better on the Ryobi, I feel like. Alright, let me know what you guys want to see next, the next head-to-head. I'll try to do it. I'm thinking maybe DeWalt against Ryobi, or DeWalt against something, I don't know. Let me know what you think down below. Alright guys, thanks for your time. You guys have a blessed day. See ya! Man, these are freaking hot. Way hot. Alright, just for fun, we got the 3 amp hour on the Ryobi. We're just going to see if it can beat the Kobalt because it's about to downpour here any second. I'm going to put the Kobalt in my dominant hand, Ryobi in my weak hand. 1, 2, 3, go. Wow, that's crazy. These HP batteries give it so much more performance, it's not even funny. Kobalt down 1 bar. See it?